No, I am not Klay Thompson. And no, I am not a straight hair waver. But as you can see, I do have waves. So I do know what I'm talking about when it comes to getting waves. If you want to learn how to get waves like Klay Thompson, stay tuned. What's good, Swag Gang? It's your boy SwaggDrizzle. And if you are not a part of the Swag Gang and you want to learn more about how to get waves, be sure to hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell so you don't miss another video. And make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to tell you a secret to getting waves fast. Okay, we're going to jump right into it. In order to get waves like Klay Thompson is a straight hair waver. Which means in order to get waves like him, you have to be a straight hair waver. Don't think you're gonna have coarse hair like me and I'm gonna be teaching you how to get waves like Klay Thompson.
Boy, if you don't get...
In that case, I'll have waves like Klay Thompson, you feel me? Nah man, for real. Like, before we get into how to get waves like Klay Thompson, you first have to know what are waves. Waves are laid down curls. Yes, waves are laid down curls. Yes, that means your hair has to be at its curl length. So what I recommend first is if your hair is long in a ponytail or a curly fro, cut your hair down to the lowest length that it can go without being bald. You still gonna want to have enough hair on your head so when you brush, it don't hurt your scalp. For some of you, that may be a 3 guard with the grain, and for others, it might be a 5 guard with the grain. Like I said, I'm of course hair wave, so only you and your barber would know what guard fit you feel me? Okay, now that you got that fresh cut, what you're gonna need now is a brush. Being that your hair is fine and soft, I recommend you getting a soft brush or a medium soft brush. Do not, I repeat, do not get a hard brush because the fact that you have fine hair, a soft brush would do just fine for you. Or like I said, if you want to get a medium brush, make sure it's a medium soft brush, not a medium hard. Because unlike us, coarse wavers, we need a hard brush because we have thick, kind of like hair, you feel me? We need something to get down to the root, so that's why we need that hard brush or a medium hard brush. Our hair nappy, man. I hate to say it, we have nappy hair, man. Now that you got the brush that you need, what you're gonna need now is a product to make your straight hair curly. Waves are laid down curls, like I said in the beginning. So now your hair is straight. Now you trying to make your hair start to curl up, you feel me? So what I recommend you getting is Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This product is made to curl your hair. Whenever you reach that wavelength that your hair curl up, this product right here gonna enhance your curl. So now that you have the brush you need and now that you got the product you need, basically what you wanna do now is put in that work, man. You gotta brush every chance you get. Brush, brush, brush. Keep in mind, being that you're a straight hair waver, it might take you 7 to 8 weeks just to see a little ripple. But you gotta stay focused. You gotta put in this work, man. You want waves like Klay Thompson, man. You gotta put in the work, man. That's all to it. You gotta put in that brush work. I recommend you brush at least an hour a day. That don't mean brush for 4 hours straight and your arm looking like SpongeBob right now. You feel me? No, that do not mean do that. You can break it down in sessions if you have to. 2 30-minute sessions. Brush for 30 minutes, take a break, then brush for another 30 minutes if you have to. Oh, I forgot to tell you, but you also gonna need a comb and a do-rag. You're gonna need a comb because when your hair get longer, you're gonna have to get down to your scalp. And being that you're a straight hair waver, that comb is really gonna be just like a brush. So it's gonna get down deeper than what a brush do. Just make sure you always brush your hair back down after you comb. And after each brush session, you want to rag up. Cause when you put on that do-rag, you saving that progress. That do-rag is like a memory card. So basically, after you put in that work, you don't made it to a certain level, okay? Like you on the game, you don't made it to a certain level. Without that memory card, you're gonna have to start all over. So basically what you wanna do, you wanna put on that memory card, that do-rag, and say that progress, man. And yeah, man, that's basically how you get waves like Klay Thompson, man. You just gotta put in the work, man. Put in the work, don't quit, and do what I'm telling you to do. And I guarantee you gonna have waves like Klay Thompson. And like I promised, man, I promised y'all I was gonna tell y'all how to get waves fast. All you wanna do is brush your hair in the shower. We call that, when I say we, I'm talking about wavers, we call that shower brush. The water from the shower gonna make your hair more softer and more manageable and stretch out your hair to its full potential. But do not use your good brush that you just bought, because being in the shower is gonna make your brush is made of wood, so it's gonna make your brush warp up. You feel me? You don't want that. You wanna get one of them cheap brushes from the stove you don't care about, you feel me? And you might wanna get a medium brush to brush in the shower, because the warm water from the shower gonna make your bristles soft. If you get a medium brush, it gonna turn soft, so it won't be that hard. I hope you find this video helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you wanna learn more about how to get waves, be sure to hit the subscribe button right now and click the bell so you don't miss another video. It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, and I'm out of here.